As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the Internal Revenue Service (IRS) offers several tax debt relief programs to assist individuals and businesses who are unable to pay their tax obligations in full. Here are some of the programs that were available at that time. Installment Agreement. This program allows taxpayers to pay their tax debt in monthly installments over time. The amount and duration of the payments depend on the taxpayer's financial situation and the total amount owed. Offer in Compromise (OIC). The OIC program allows eligible taxpayers to settle their tax debt for less than the full amount owed. To qualify, taxpayers must demonstrate that they are unable to pay their tax debt in full and that the offered amount represents the most the IRS can expect to collect. Currently not collectible (CNC) status. This program provides temporary relief for taxpayers who are facing financial hardship and are unable to pay their tax debt. If the IRS determines that the taxpayer is unable to meet basic living expenses while paying their tax debt, they may place the taxpayer's account in CNC status, temporarily halting collection actions. Penalty abatement. In certain cases, taxpayers may qualify for relief from certain penalties assessed by the IRS. This program considers factors such as reasonable cause or first-time penalty abatement. It's important to note that tax laws and programs can change over time, so it's recommended to visit the official IRS website or consult a tax professional to obtain the most up-to-date information on the available tax debt relief programs and their specific eligibility requirements. Since my knowledge cutoff is in September 2021, I might not be aware of any recent updates or new IRS tax debt relief programs that may have been introduced after that time. However, I can provide additional information on some general concepts related to tax debt relief. Here are a few more details. Innocent spouse relief. This program is designed to provide relief to individuals who filed joint tax returns with their spouse or former spouse and are facing tax debt due to the other spouse's erroneous reporting or fraudulent activity. Tax liens and levies. If you owe a significant amount in tax debt and fail to make arrangements to settle or pay it, the IRS may place a tax lien on your property or initiate a levy to collect the debt. Tax liens give the IRS a legal claim to your property, while levies allow them to seize your assets.
Collection appeals. If you disagree with an IRS collection action, such as a proposed levy or lien, you have the right to request a collection due process (CDP) hearing. During this hearing, you can present your case and potentially reach a resolution with the IRS. Statute of limitations. The IRS has a limited time frame, typically 10 years, to collect tax debt from the date it was assessed. If the statute of limitations on your tax debt is close to expiring, you may be able to negotiate a settlement for a reduced amount. It's crucial to remember that the specific details and eligibility requirements for these programs can vary. It is always advisable to consult with a tax professional or visit the official IRS website for the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding tax debt relief programs. User. More. ChatGPT. Certainly. Here is some additional information on IRS tax debt relief programs. Fresh Start Initiative. The Fresh Start Initiative is an IRS program aimed at helping individuals and small businesses struggling with tax debt. It offers expanded eligibility criteria and more flexible terms for installment agreements and offers in compromise. The initiative also includes provisions for easier lien withdrawals and increased threshold amounts for streamlined installment agreements. Taxpayer Advocate Service, TASH. The TASH is an independent organization within the IRS that provides free assistance to taxpayers who are experiencing financial difficulties or are facing other challenges in resolving their tax issues. They can help taxpayers navigate through the various relief programs and work with the IRS on their behalf. Bankruptcy. In some cases, filing for bankruptcy may provide relief from tax debt. However, it's important to note that not all tax debts are dischargeable through bankruptcy, and specific criteria must be met. Consulting with a bankruptcy attorney is recommended to understand the implications and determine if it's a viable option for your situation. Tax debt settlement companies. There are private companies that offer assistance with tax debt relief. However, it's important to exercise caution when dealing with such companies, as there have been instances of scams and unethical practices. It's advisable to research and verify the reputation and credentials of any company before engaging their services. Remember, tax debt relief programs and options can change over time, so it's crucial to consult the official IRS web.